Hey there, welcome. I'm Whit Prouty, and this is my first Facebook live tour of 1333 South Beverly Glen in Los Angeles, California, Unit 901. Check this place out, it's absolutely beautiful. Lots of floor-to-ceiling windows, access to a very large deck. This balcony just goes almost the entire length of the unit. So in the background over there, we can see the tall buildings of Westwood. Closer to us, we've got the Wilshire Corridor, but because we're not in it, we actually have some space around us rather than having a building right next to and on top of us. You can see the hills beyond, so you've got Bel Air in the background over here. Then we start to see Beverly Hills. This direction, we can actually just catch the Griffith Observatory. Absolutely incredible. Actually, from here, we can see the pool of the building as well, along with the fitness area. But I wanted to show, we've got a nice big circular driveway in front of the building for you to pull into, where then the valet will take your car. And check out the kitchen. There's a television that there's installed in the wall here. We've got beautiful stone, gorgeous cabinetry. Cabinetry, it does have built-ins, all soft close. So you've got a spice rack over here. Look how quiet that is. All the attention to detail in this property is incredible. Professional stainless steel appliances, microwave here. Big oven here. We've got overdraft up top here with lighting in it and nice openness. From the kitchen, we'll walk into the laundry room. We've got side-by-side washer and dryer, plus a laundry sink, built-in cabinetry. It's a service door as well. And we have additional storage as well too. Pantry area, and of course a door so you can close this if you don't want people to see into your laundry room. And we'll take a look at the powder room. We've kind of got an entryway here. Beautiful tile floors. I'm showing you, while it looks almost like a mirror, it's not really a mirror. That is built-in cabinetry. The powder room, all top quality materials. What a beautiful powder room this is. Down this hall here, you'll see we've got a nice office area built in. And as we come around, we'll come into your guest's bedroom. This room is nice and bright. It's facing southwest out that window. There's really a lovely view all the way actually out to the ocean. There's an ensuite bath, room beautifully tiled. Again, all very high-end finishes, wall-to-wall tile, nice walk-in shower. Everything in this property is done extremely well. And let's take a look at that master bedroom. Got nice big double doors. You can see all the lacquered cabinetry there. Let's take a look inside these closets, because actually they are really well done. These closets. Everything again is soft close. We've got hamper pull out. Everything nice, soft close. We've got more pulls and pull outs. Also too, notice that lighting up top there. Open the doors, lights go on. Close the doors, interior lights go off. Really, really well done stuff. And it also has its own door out to the patio. Again, we've got, this is a patio that extends the length of the unit. As we come in here, we come into a dressing area, and then to our left, what you'll see is a nice walk-in closet as well. Now let's take a look at the master bath. Large walk-in shower. We've got a double vanity over here. Beautiful soaker tub. Custom 150-gallon saltwater aquarium. The seller will leave this, or if a saltwater aquarium is not to your liking, he will remove it for you as well too, and just put in a wood panel that matches the current cabinetry. This aquarium is incredibly calming and a nice focal point of this unit. Thank you very much for joining me. I appreciate it. I hope you've enjoyed this tour. Again, for more information, contact me at whitprouty.com or hit up my website, whitprouty.com. You can also see this unit at the MLS.com. If you're using your Compass app, just put in the property address, 1333 South Beverly Glen Boulevard, Unit 901 in Los Angeles, 90024. You can get all the particulars on the unit. I'm happy to answer any questions you have, and I really appreciate you joining me today. Take care now.